How to download Iptvportal on Android TV. Open apps and search Iptvportal. As soon as you see this screen, press OK on your remote control. In the URL for the portal, replace Go with TVMOST. Type TVMOST and click OK. Scan this QR code on your phone or go to the website tvmost.net. Type your email address and select a country. Phone number is optional. Select the checkbox and proceed to the next step. Go to your email account and complete the verification process. Open the verification email and click on the link to verify your account. Open the second link and go to your account, where you receive login and password. Click on the information button to find your login and password. Enter your login and password here. Enjoy with TVMOST.